In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Wise account step by step. This is a quick and easy process, and by the end, you'll have your Wise account ready to send, receive, and manage money internationally. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps out a lot. Let's get started. Open your Wise web browser and go to the official Wise website at wise.com. So wise.com. On the homepage, click e-register or sign up. You'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure you use an active one since Wise will send verification details there. Once entered, click Next. Now, you'll be asked what type of account you want to create, either personal or business. A personal account is great for individual use, like sending or receiving money from friends or family, while a business account is designed for company payments and expenses. In this example, we'll select personal account. Next, Wise will ask for your country of residence. Select the country where you live most of the time, as this determines the available features and currency options for your account. Once selected, click Continue. Now it's time to verify your phone number. Enter your mobile number and click Send Code. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code by SMS. Type that code into the box provided and click Done. This step confirms that you're the owner of the phone number linked to your account. After that, you'll need to create a password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Then click Continue to complete your sign up. Wise may also prompt you to verify your identity later if you plan to send or receive large amounts. This is standard for financial platforms and helps keep your account safe. Once you've completed registration, you'll be taken to your Wise dashboard. Here you can see your account balance, recent transactions, and available currencies. You can also look in Add Money, Send Money Abroad, or Request Payments directly from the main page. To send money, click on Send Money and enter the amount, recipient details, and destination currency. Wise will automatically show you the exact conversion rate and total fees upfront. No hidden charges. You can then confirm the transaction and complete the payment using your preferred method, such as a debit card, bank transfer, or credit card. Wise also offers a multi-currency account, where you can hold and convert over 50 currencies at the real exchange rate. If you choose to order a Wise debit card, you can use it worldwide to make purchases or withdraw cash at competitive rates. And that's it. You've successfully created your Wise account and are ready to start managing your money globally. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.